Hello my friends, I am here with you today again. To show you something, okay? A new level of stupidity. You know that I take safety seriously. You know that, isn't it? That's why I'm always prepared to rescue somebody. You know, normally in every company you have to have an IRATA level tree to put some ropes to make the rescue, to if something's matter, something's go wrong, you know. Now that guy, it's me. That means I always have a plan of rescue. Not for me, because if something happens to me, I will die and that's it. Okay? No one can save me because my teammates are incompetent. But don't get me wrong, I don't want to talk bad of my teammates. Only that they are here to make some money, you know. They are not like rope access technician in blood. No, they are okay. The day has passed. I just make some money. I go home. I relax. You know. I have one day on a year to make with them, like let's review. Let's make a strategy. This day to make some rescues. This day, it's the worst day on this year for them and for me also, because they don't care, so I fuck them more than usual, you know. Now my boss, when he worked at like rope access technician, you know, he worked with him also. He had some accidents. I understand that he doesn't have like very difficult, dangerous accidents, but he has some. Okay? So now I am with security like blood. Okay? And he is also. That's why he trusts me. But now he just passed the line. What is my security, safety, precaution, okay, rescue plan for every job? I will show you. Okay, I have my harness, I have my safety line here, as you can see. I have this one, okay, now on my chair, imagine that something happened with one of my teammates. Okay, I always descend close to them so I can reach them very easy. So I have another ID on my chair, as you can see right now. I don't know if you see what I'm showing you. Okay, I have another ID. Okay, I have knife, actually 2 knives if I have to cut some ropes or something like this. Okay, I have some pulley, you know, if I have to, you know, rescue, to climb, to stuff like this. Okay, what I have next, I have some extra carabiners. Okay, I have some pedal, as you can see right over here, to use if need to go to climb faster, you know. I have my crawl over here to use it. So if the job is difficult, I have some nodes over here to use to put more tools. And now I have this piece of crap. My boss buy me this for the rescue mission. Can you see what this is? I tell you what this is. Garbage. Okay, now let's review a little bit this tool, okay? Because this is not very much garbage. This is a good tool, you know. It's not for me, but it's a good tool. Let's see what we have in this bag. There. Surprise. Okay. JAG system. What does JAG system do? I will show you right about now. Put this over here, okay? When I pull this, you know, and this is blocked here. You see this? I unblock it. Now it goes off. Okay, as you can see. Now, if I block it here, okay, will not go. You can see this, isn't it? Look at this piece of crap. I don't know how to use it very well. This is not bad, you know, but what this is, I will show you right now what we have here. Come on, I don't need this very much, but this is a good tool. You can see this. This is a double pulley, okay. This is 22 kilonewtons. If you can see this, it's a little bit windy. 22 kilonewtons. I don't know if you can see something here and this. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, carabiners are good. Well done with the carabiner. I like carabiners. This type of carabiners. Now here we have a double pulley, just like the other one, only with a block and with this over here for the node. Okay, and this one to block it. Okay, now I will show you how this works. You put this here. This will not go until you push this button over here and will stay blocked. Okay, now I'll show you again. Did you see that? This button over here. Now, this is a little bit expensive. Look, you can put here rope and here rope. Okay, you can do like this and put rope from 8 to 11. Okay, this works very good. 8 to 11. So this rope is a little bit small. I think it's 8. I have normal ropes over here 10.5, so my rope normally works. So now, why he buy this to me? Because when something happened to a guy, I have to rescue him, so I want to transfer him from his safety line in my, so I have to transfer his weight on my weight, okay, on my ID. So I have to pull a little bit stronger. So it's very difficult, a little bit difficult. I have to put a pulley. So he buy me this. I only put him like this. So here, tack, and I pull, and he's got. Okay, do you get the point? So now, as you can see, I don't take security. I don't make shortcuts. No, I make improvisation. I never, ever make shortcuts, you know. Only improvisations, which I think that are safe. And normally, with my experience, if I say they are safe, they are, you know. What else I want to tell you? Well, you know, it's different to work here than to work in France, you know, to work in Canada, England, Germany, Australia, you know. Sometimes you guys think that I make improvisation, they are dangerous, that I make shortcuts, but it's not true, you know, because you are not here with me, you know. Maybe you make some improvisation over there, but I'm not there with you, you know. So what it's unsafe for you, it's safe for me, because maybe I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings, but maybe you don't have the experience that you need to tell me that this is unsafe improvisation. Maybe, you know, I mean, if you want to check my resume to see if you can trust me when I say that this is safe, my name is on YouTube. The same name it's on Facebook. This is my really name. Okay? You can search me on Facebook and you will find there some photos, some, you know, that I work on a chimney tower, you know, 17 years ago. You can see I have photos that I work on telecommunication towers, you know, building communication towers, painting communication towers, repairing hotels and stuff like this that dates 10 years ago, 15 years ago, you know. So normally, if you have something in your mind that look, my friend, who the fuck are you? You know, let me correct you in this. What you have done there is not safe. Now I ask you, how do you know? I know because of my experience. I have a lot of experience. Since when you work in this job? Well, I have 2 years, my friend. Maybe you haven't the experience, you know, to comment and to say that what I'm doing is wrong, you know, because in this condition here is nothing perfect. I try to adapt, I try to adjust, I try to, in a crisis, this country, Spain, you know, Spain, I do apologize for the Spanish guy, you know, Spain, it's in a big crisis right now, you know, and there are a lot of refugees here which the the which you have to be very good in what you are doing, so you can work here, you know, because there are a lot of guys, but my luck is that they don't have my experience, you know, so they don't know shit, if you know what I mean. Like, they are garbages, you know. They work on one rope, they work with shunt, they work with a lot of, they don't know how to put ropes, like you see this here, they put rope like 3 or 4 times and make a knot over here. They were like, you know, because they don't know and they don't give a shit, and they don't have experience. So now you have to be very good to be able to keep working, you know. So in these conditions, I make improvisations, but this not mean that my improvisation are not safe, you know. I have an idea. Let's see, because now I'm in the mood of an improvisation. Look at this. One guy, Spanish guy, told me that, look, my friend, you know, don't put the name of this is gato. Don't put this here, because sometimes you can fall down with this. Okay, I totally agree with you. Make a hole in the wall right over here. Really? Hole in the wall. First of all, yeah, this wall is good, you know, but some walls like this are no good. So if I make a hole over here, I will damage the structure of the wall, and I can fall with the wall, with everything. Second of all, sometimes this wall have stone, so I cannot make hole in the stone, my friends, because I will damage the stone, because it's not natural stone, it's a garbage stone, you know. Now let's see, let's try this. Okay, as you can see, I'm not on the height, I'm not in danger, you know. I will use this new tool that I have. I try to put him over here. I don't know if it works. It works? Yes, it works. Look, I attached this here. Okay, now can you see this? Okay, now I will attach this over here. Okay, now let's see if this can take my weight. Okay, and it's one. Now, as you all sit there, I will climb on this. Now I am here. Wait, just a little bit more, and I will show you right now. Now I am here. Look at this. You see, I have my ass over here. Okay, now, and I did not fall. You see. Now let's make another thing to see that this is safe. Okay, for redirecting my clothes, my ropes. Redirecting my clothes. Very nice. Stupid. Now look at this. Look at this. Right now, look at this. I will show you in what position I am. You can see this, no? This over here, and I don't have my ass on the ground. Do you see my ass right now? Nice ass, but that is not important. Look, and I'm pulling on this. Do you see this? Doesn't break, my friend, doesn't break. But it can break the wall. The whole wall can come here. So if I make holes in this wall can break. Now look at this. I'm attached to this, and this is not moving, you know. If I fall right now, I will not fall much. I don't know if you can see my ass right now. Look, I don't have nothing here. This is not magic. This is, look, and I'm here working on this. You see? I'm working right now. This is not move. Look, this doesn't move. So, imagine if I am safe or not. And in this video, you saw one. Imagine in the other video that I say that I make rigging illegal and stuff like this. Don't make this at home. You pussies. You. I had 4. Now, in my videos, I make some. I may be exaggerating a little bit, you know, like illegal, like nah. But all I do is safe. Okay, all the things that I do are safe. My brothers from another mothers. Now, don't forget, every Monday I will be with you right here on YouTube. Okay, share my videos, like them if you like them, comment if you comment, don't comment if you don't comment. That's a nice helmet, strong helmet, you see. So I see you on the next video. Bye bye.